Okay, today we're going to insert our line ladder diagrams that we're creating from Constructor into our lab reports. And we'll also put a data table from Excel into the lab report. Got my lab report ready to go here with the cover page. Put all the proper information that you need there for the cover page. Put the objective. Alright. Now in this objective of this lab, you're going to learn how to capture pictures of your line ladder diagrams from Constructor. Cutting and pasting an Excel table will also be shown at the end. Alright, we've got the diagram set up here for our StartStop Jog. I already have Constructor open. And here's my StartStop Jog diagram. I'm going to turn it on for power flow. And we'll go up here to File, grab a diagram clip, and you see the cursor changes. The little hand, and we'll just go and grab everything here and let go. Alright, and we're going to call this Lab 2 Diagram 1A. I'm going to overwrite the one that I currently have there. Save it. Yes, I want to overwrite it. Okay, now I'm going to come back over to my lab report, insert, picture, and then we're going to go from file, so we want 1A. That was the name that I selected. Yep, that's the diagram I want. Insert it. Okay, resize this, get it all resized and set. There I go, I'm good to go. Now you notice I expanded that to fit the page. Everything looks good, very easy to read. Now what happens if I have a line ladder diagram that's too large to fit on one page? Well, let's go check that out. Close this one up and we'll go open up another one. There we go. And look at this. Okay, and you'll see I've got a couple pages worth of things here. So again, turn it on so the rung numbers are there. File, grab a diagram clip, and I'm going to select rungs 1 through 9 here. Okay, there we go, and we're going to save this as lab diagram 2A. Yes, I'll overwrite the previous one. Now while I'm here, let's go get the next 10 rungs. File, grab a diagram clip. There we go, spread it out. Got it. We'll call this one 2B. Yes, I'll overwrite the one that I have there. Okay, so I've got my 2 large diagram clips there. Now, come back to my lab report. Insert pictures. Let's get 2A. Yep, that's the rungs 1 through 9. Put that in there. Now if you look at that, that's kind of small. But look what we can do. Come up here and grab this and rotate your diagram 90 degrees. Now that it's rotated, you can grab it and expand it. Here we go. I just expanded it into the next page. So let's bring it back up here. There we go. There it is right there. Make some more room for it. Let's take this and expand it out a little bit. Again, grab these and pulling them. Okay, there we go. Nice and big. So let's go insert, go to page layout, insert a page break for a new page. There we go. Go back to insert, picture. Let's go get rungs 10 to the end. Again, kind of small, rotate it. Now grab that down in the corner and grow it. Okay, there we go. Okay, we've got our original line ladder diagram here. Here's our second one, the first part of the second one rotated 90 degrees. And here's the second half of our second one rotated 90 degrees. That's it. You can do the same thing with your photographs or your scans of your hand-drawn diagrams, you take a photograph and save it, or take a scan and save it, and then insert those pictures just like we did here with these. Right? Now let's come down to the data table. I've got a data table here loaded up, and it's a motor block. Okay, so I'm going to select these right here. I'm going to come back over here and copy my table. I've got the table copied, and come back over here, and I'm going to paste. Now Word will give you a lot of ways of pasting. You can paste and keep the source formatting. There's an example, and since the table is so large it overruns. And in here you can paste a link in the source formatting. Okay, give it a moment, it'll put that in there. And the link is nice because you can change your data on your Excel spreadsheet, and if you change that spreadsheet, it'll automatically update your Word document. This data table is a little too big to do that, so it's really nice. Insert it as a picture. So go to insert as a picture, and there we go. Real nice, easy to see. Again, I'll expand that out. Alright, take up all of the page I can fit in there, and I'm done. Okay? Now at this point, you write your summary and your conclusion. Get the lab report all finished. Don't forget to hit save regularly so you don't lose your work. Now once you've finished your lab report and you're ready to publish and email it, do File, Save As, my location where I'm going to save it. We'll put PDF. There we go. Lab report example 2. Hit save. Now it will create the PDF, and here it is. Here's our PDF. Right there. Got your diagrams. Very easy to read these diagrams. Okay. And of course, your report will have the summary and conclusion, and good to go. Then you take that PDF and email it to me. That's it. Good luck.